Hello, today I'm making my beautiful fish curry. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. The fish I am using is tilapia. You can use a different fish if you want. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll mix it. First, we'll fry the fish. I'm using coconut oil. You can use another one if you want. Medium heat. Now we'll fry for 4 minutes on each side. Now my fish is ready. We'll take it out, but leave the oil. Here's my fish. We'll keep the oil because it has lots of flavor. 400 ml of coconut milk. 2 cups of onion. Fresh chili to taste. Chili, cumin, coriander. It's 1 teaspoon each. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of curry leaves. 2 teaspoons of cumin seed. 4 green cardamom. And a stick of cinnamon. Let's get back to the cooker. Now we'll put the spices and the curry leaves just for 1 minute. Now the onions, 5 minutes, medium heat. Now we'll put in the chili and the ginger garlic paste and stir for 3 minutes. Now we'll put the spices and some salt, and I'm gonna mix. Now we're gonna add the fish. Half a cup of water, the coconut milk, now we'll put the heat on low and cook for 6 minutes. And that's it. Check it for salt. I'll see you at the table. And there's my beautiful fish curry. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.